T-bar row. This is gonna hit the full back. We're gonna take the hands and put them pretty much right on the bend in the bar, right outside my shoulder width grip. So from shoulder width grip with the palms down, wrapping around. On the first initial rep, make sure that your feet are underneath you. And then from here, we wanna make sure we got an arch in the back. So we're gonna pick the weight up like a squat on the first initial one and stand all the way tall. From this position, I like to think about jumping rope with my shoulders behind my nipples and creating the arch in the back. Once the back's established like that, slight bend, and we're simultaneously gonna lower our nipples down as we're sticking our ass out, right to where we about meet a 45-degree angle. From here, driving the elbows into the pockets, exhale. Inhale, I like to think about taking my elbows and reaching from my back pocket, squeeze. 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 On the last rep, safely drop it. Stand up. I'm gonna take the hands, a little outside shoulder width apart, and on the first initial rep, stand up nice and tall, because from here, we're gonna establish the arch in the back as the shoulders compress. And now as he's pulling the weight, you can see that his lower back is arched and nice and protected, safe. We're not gonna get any strains. Driving with the elbows nice and wide and tight into the body. Squeezing this lat. Big stretch at the bottom. Exhale as we contract. Nice, expose yourself at the bottom and then squeeze and contract. Great job. Perfect form.